Stop sign? What stop sign? Ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, welcome back to another video. We are in Warrington, Missouri, picking up a load right here, of course, in Warrington, and we are going to Burlington, Iowa, not too far away from here. It is very cold here in great state of Missouri. Yesterday, back at the house, it was snowing. It was snowing pretty bad, but it didn't stick around on the roads or anything. It's still on the grass though, but hey, as long as it's not on the road, that's all that matters. We have 180 miles from here, but it says blizzard warning. I don't know if you can see right there. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. This is emergency. People need their meat. So we're gonna get it up there no matter what. Also, Mid-America Trucking Show, Matt, is coming up here, I think next week. Yeah, next week. So who's coming? You guys coming? If you are coming, click the link down below and register. I'm gonna be at Interstate Trucks booth on 27th, Friday, from 2 to 4. Me and my buddy JD, Junkyard Dog, we're gonna be there at the same time. So you guys are welcome to say hi, you know, do whatever. Bring money, of course, because everything's on sale. Yes, sir. And yeah, man. So let's go in there because it is freaking freezing. Oh, #1 destination in the nation for truck parts, chrome, and accessories, ladies and gentlemen. Interstate Trucks. OTR B10 will get you 10% off. As you can notice right here, we don't have the panel right there. It is at the house. I painted it. I got aluminum ones from Interstate Trucks, of course, and I painted it exact same color as the truck. Does the truck look stupid without these? Of course it does. But hey, it's just temporary, man. Man, it's freaking cold, and the wind is blowing like crazy. So yeah, I painted those real good, man. I really did. I bought the paint and everything from a paint supply store for the cars, you know, and I got the exact same paint to match, and it turned out amazing. You guys will see that video sometimes after mats. Let's see what it looks like over here. We got close to 42,000 pounds of kind of beef trim that needs to be kept at 0 degrees. All right. Looks okay. Right up there where that black part is, we got 1, 2, 3, we got 4 legendary extreme watermelon light on this side that we're gonna be installing, 4 over there on that side, and also I'm gonna be painting this stuff to match the truck. When? I don't know. Hopefully soon, whenever I get some time, you know. Let's get going. Let's see what's going on with this blizzard up there in Iowa. If it's really gonna be there or not, but that's what the weather people are saying, I guess. Right here is old rock quarry that was converted into a warehouse, and trucks don't park underground, so but all the freight is underground. Man, I wonder if I can deliver this today. Might have to give them a call and find out. That would be nice. this road right here is Missouri State Road 47. We're gonna stay on this road until we get to US 61, and then we gotta take that north, of course, right into Burlington. There was a very good paying load that was posted from Burlington to not Burlington, Ottumwa, Iowa, going down to Springfield, Missouri. When I called up, this stupid lady is like, oh, it picks up in Council Bluffs, Iowa. I was like, dumbass, that's like, I don't know, like close to 300 miles away. I'm like, get the hell out of here, man. Why would you post it on like all the way on the east side of Iowa, and the load picks up over there on the west side of Iowa, right there next to Omaha? That's like the most, I don't know. These people are so freaking stupid. And she's like, well, let me know if anything changes. What's gonna change? You should change your posting, okay? Stop posting fake loads that you don't have. By Fred says, after this video I'm out of here, and he left a comment on the video where I used the train horn down in Jackson, Mississippi, on those drivers that were parked illegally on the entrance and exit way for the Love's truck stop, making it hard for everybody to get in and out. I'll be honest with you, man, I didn't even know you were here, to be honest. I'm just being honest with you, man. But yeah, I'm glad I did it, man. I would do it. I would gladly do it again. Have I parked illegally? Of course I have. Do I park blocking people in from getting into truck stop and out? Hell no. I had to wait there for like 5 minutes, man, for other trucks to get in. Maybe even longer. You know, because you have trucks coming over here behind me that are going to the pump, and they're waiting for the pump to open so they can get in, and then it's just blocked off right there. I can't get out. Other people can't get in because of those morons parked there. I understand being tired. I've parked illegally many times, and I will do it again, but I will not do it where I'm blocking somebody in. Hell no. That's just dumb, man. But anyway, Fred, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I don't really care, buddy. But yes, sir. I understand being tired at all, but it's just, that's like me. I'm tired, and I park right here in the middle of the road. Right here, in the middle of this road, I park because I'm tired. Does that give me an excuse? Hell freaking no. So why should you be able to block a lane for entrance into the truck stop? Why? Because it's a truck stop? Somebody gives you a freaking right? Hell no, man. Don't be a stupid moron, buddy. So yeah. Alright. Let's get going, man. "250 years of freedom" coming up in July. All right, I like it. All right, 9 miles until we get to US 61 and take that north. It is 27 degrees currently right here. In 3 days, it's gonna be 80. Yeah. Strange, man. Very strange. We are in Troy, Missouri. Well, let's get on 61 and head up north. This is gonna kill our fuel mileage, buddy. The wind is blowing 21 miles an hour straight at us. Not good. I don't like it at all. But hey, it is what it is, man. We are in New London, Missouri. We're gonna stop here for a minute, take a break. You see right here, this loves, it's got 3 lanes, 2 lanes for exit, 1 lane for entrance. If you park that other lane over there, it'll be fine. I mean, people will still be able to get in and out without being too disturbed, you know. But that other love's down there in Jackson, man, that is not good, man. So, the guy with the trains or whatever, I'm gonna let this guy go because I'm not even gonna get on the pump. I don't know. Oh, what? Yep. He's going in the pump. It's alright. I could have went in there ahead of it, but I don't have to because I'm just gonna stop here for a minute. See, I'm very courteous. I'm not gonna be a jackass. I see what he was trying to do. So, and I support it 100%. You the man, brother. I'm gonna tell him about 4 state trucks and my discount code OTRB10. I'm gonna go up there and say, buddy, you know you can save 10% off with my discount code OTRB10. Oh, that's him. And then he jumped out of the truck too fast. It's okay. I'm going in there too.
I'll see you, buddy. You're gonna learn today about the #1 destination in the nation for truck parts, chrome, and accessories. 4 state trucks, Joplin, Missouri. Yes, sir. All right.
Man, it is windy, brother. Yeah, look how stupid this looks without those panels. It's all right. You get them on there. Soon enough, buddy. Soon enough. We are still on US 61, Truckload North, of course. But we are north of Hannibal, Missouri. We still got how many hours? Hour and a half. Very nice. We got 4 miles till we get to Casey's, but we're gonna get blueberries filled up and a reefer. And with the discount, it's 409. So there you go. Wonderful. Just wonderful, buddy. I think this Casey's brand new here. Oh shoot. Sorry, buddy. I didn't see you. No blizzard. We are very close to Burlington, but I think that was happening when we were about to leave. That would be nice. This pump over here on the right looks like it's out of service. Hopefully this one is gonna be in service. All right. This is Fort Madison, Iowa, right here, by the way. Oh man, it's freaking cold. And the wind is blowing like crazy. Buddy. Not waiting outside. Let's go inside the truck, man. Holy guacamole, brother. Buddy. Oh my God, Dad. Let's go pay for this diesel. Let's get the hell out of here. Actually, I gotta get the gas jug filled up before we leave. Let's do that real fast. Oakley dokley, let's get going. We got gas right here, and Miss Jenny's gonna be running tonight. Let me get inside the truck and I'll tell you why I need this, because it's freezing. So, we gotta run Miss Jenny tonight and keep the engine block plugged in, because it's gonna get around like 10 degrees in the morning. And I'm not going to idle the truck. I'm just going to run the diesel heater. And unfortunately, blueberries will not start when it's cold like that. So we don't want that. It would not start this morning if I hadn't ran this Jenny last night, and if it wasn't plugged in, the block heater that is. Alright, let's go here, let's cut some people off. Well, I didn't really cut anybody off, but... Alright, let's head up north. We got about 15 to 20 minutes left till we get to our delivery address in Burlington. Burlington, Iowa, buddy! Yeah! Looks like they had a lot of snow up here. Well, it's not too much, but you know, thankfully it's on the grass and not on the road over here. Man, I never thought I would see these prices again for diesel. Not at least for a while, but here we are, man. That's why you gotta get your rates up. Don't be hauling this cheap nonsense that they offer. I went home, I was like, you know, I'll just wait for the gas prices to come down, or diesel prices, I should say. And I come back out and they're like 50 cents more. Yeah, real smart, dumbass. The road is mostly clear, but you have some spots that are very bad, and that will throw you in a ditch, like that guy over there to our left, if you are not careful. Because this is all ice. You okay there, buddy? There's nobody there, so this probably happened last night. Like there's some kind of accident. Yeah, big truck. Big truck. What are these guys doing? They trying to do a U-turn? Dang, I'm 2 miles away, man. Dang. This freaking sucks. I think we're gonna be here for a while. I tried flying a drone so we can all see better what happened, but he does not want to fly. It's too windy. It's just drifting over there towards the trees. So I landed down close to the ground and I brought it over in front of me real fast before I crashed it. Freaking sucks, man. Dang. So yeah, he ran up on this snow and ice right here, and he just jackknifed. So most of the pavement, almost all of it, is perfectly dry. But then you have some of these spots, like right here, that the wind is blowing onto the road, and stuff like this happens, man. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna be here for a while. There might be some cars involved too, because that one is for cars. Tow truck, that is. Stop sign? What stop sign?
Yeah, no kidding. It's probably going to be like 2 hours.
Will?
Because they got to tow the semi.
Yeah.
They got to get a record from like Mount Pleasant.
Shit.
These two guys are staying because they got to get to Burlington. I don't know if you want to try backing up or if you want to stay or.
I'm literally 2 miles away from my delivery, man. So it freaking sucks.
You guys just going to stay?
I guess. I mean, there's no any. This is where I'm going. I was supposed to turn left on the West
That's
Avenue.
where everybody's going.
There's no any other way to get there. I can't go on these roads.
I mean, there's the old highway. So it would take you off of Summer Street.
Okay.
But you kind of be going through town a little bit.
And then over here.
It takes you, yeah, like past the airport.
Okay. Is it legal truck route or no?
Honestly, I'm not the DOT.
Yeah. I understand.
I don't think anyone's gonna stop you.
Okay.
We don't have any DOT in town, so.
Oh, good. I don't
all
like
the troopers are busy.
I don't like those guys anyway.
That's up to you if you feel comfortable enough to back up.
Okay. And do a U-turn.
Yeah, there's a turn up there.
Is there anybody behind me?
You have this lane to yourself.
Okay.
There's 2 semis in this lane.
Okay. Okay, I'll just back up and do a U-turn and go this way. So, all right, I appreciate it, buddy. Thank you. Even though he said there's nobody behind me, it's my job and it's your job to make sure. So yeah, we'll just back it up down there, do a U-turn. Because he said it'll be a couple hours. Whenever you see stuff like this, man, slow down, brother. Slow down, man. I feel very bad that happened to him. I really do. He seems like he's a local driver for JB Hunt. I mean, it freaking sucks, you know. I mean, it can happen to any of us, it really can, but pay attention, man. That's what happens, you know, when you don't let off, or maybe you have it, shut up, GPS lady! Maybe you have it set on like cruise control or something, and you're not paying attention and stuff, or you know, you see it and you think, oh, it's okay, I'll be okay. And that happens, man. Freaking sucks, you know. But it's okay. I'm grateful for this nice officer that he'll be able to go around this mess, because they're gonna have to bring a tow truck like. He said it'll be a couple hours, probably more than a couple hours by the time, you know, he hooks onto it and does all the stuff. I mean, it'll be, I don't want to wait there because I'm like very close to my delivery, and I was going to chill at my sleeper than here on the highway.
Turn left onto Clubhouse Drive.
We'll be turning left here and going through town.
Turn left onto Summer Street.
And there's a sheriff right there. But I don't see any signs on here that say no through trucks. So. Drone would not fly. Man, I was like, come on, bro. It's okay. It is what it is. This video is for educational purposes only. Just so you guys know, I'm trying to educate some of these youngsters. They gotta pay attention, slow down. So you don't end up like that, poor sucker. Almost said sucker. Oh man. All right. see there's more snow here. So we gotta, of course, slow down. Slow down. Take it easy. Snowdrift. That's what this is called, I think. I was trying to find a word for it this entire time, but he just not gave it me. And I still could be very, very wrong, but I don't know. Weight limit, 15 ton. They have it posted right here, like 2 miles after the turn where I could have made a turn, which is like the dumbest thing ever. Stupid assholes. Like, what do you want me to do? You want me to back up 2 miles? Get out of here. At least there's 2 of us. There's one more red Freightliner Cascadia behind me. 15 tons. How do these people get their gas? From Casey's. Alright, let's slow down. There's more snow on the road over here. Derek, buddy, this is terrible. Oh my God, man. Take a left turn right here.
Turn left.
And the sign says, no, 15 ton. Gross vehicle weight limit. Who gives a damn about the sign? There's no cops, they're all busy. They're all busy down there dealing with that nonsense. Alright. And just like that, we are around that mess. Thank God. Looks like these people are open. Maybe, just maybe, we might get unloaded. Do I get in here? Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be a tight turn, brother. How in the world are you supposed to back up here? Dang, buddy. Well, it seems like an impossible task, man. Yeah, I think we can go up here even more. We definitely don't want to end up there where somebody else ended up. Okay, I think we're gonna need to slide our tandems all the way forward for this one. So I'm gonna back up there, slide the tandems all the way forward, and then we'll have more room. All right, let's do that. If anybody can do it, it's gonna be you, El Bandito. This is one of them spots where they say, oh, we get trucks in here like that every day. No, you don't. Stop lying. Stop lying. We got it backed in, man. Backed in and we are getting unloaded. I rang the bell right there on that door. Nice gentleman came out. I said, I got a delivery. He said, what you got? I said, I got some kind of beef stuff. He's like, back it on in right there. I was like, okay. It was kind of tough getting out of this jam, man, because I'm sure it's okay when the snow is not here, but I'm like, if I swing it over here too far on this pile, I might rip my bumper off. Over there, same thing. Right there as well. So, but I managed. He's unloading it, and I don't know if we're gonna go home after this or if we're gonna stay here and try to find something tomorrow. We'll see. We will see, buddy. No, we are finished. We are done unloading. I don't think I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna stay here. Stupid asshole. We left those two airbags. It's okay. I appreciate him unloading today instead of tomorrow. Let's get out of here. Oh, let's get ready for bed, man. First, we gotta fill up Miss Jenny, because she's gonna be running tonight. Our block heater is gonna be plugged right into her. That's right. Good old block heater. Alright, choke on. Alright, there she is. Alright. Oh, she just died. Bad girl. Oh, there it is. Well, it is time to shut her down and go to sleep. Crawl into this sleeper like a good doggy that I am. Yes, sir. Block heater is plugged in. It's this extension cord right there. It comes from under my bed. And yeah, man, so that way we can start in the morning, because it's gonna get down to 10 degrees here in the morning in Burlington. And I know 100% this thing will not start. So better safe than sorry, man. Have a good night, everyone. Stay safe out there, and I will see all you guys in the next one. Take her easy.